Esquire Group. The company was established in 1974 by a dreamer, Muhammad Mufazzal Hussain. He is not only a successful man but also a man of great vision.
ইলেকট্রনিক্সের ব্যবসাতে আমি অ্যাসেম্বলিং ইয়েতে ছিলাম এনআরপিতে, ন্যাশনাল রেডিও প্রোডাক্টে। তখন আমি ওখান থেকে বেশ কিছু হয়ে এখান থেকে ট্রেনিং প্রাপ্ত হয়ে আমি মনে করলাম যে নিজে একটা অ্যাসেম্বলিং লাইনে যাবো, নয় রিটেল ইয়েতে যাবো, রিটেল সব একটা করবো, স্কোয়ার ইলেকট্রনিক্স যেটা।
This extraordinary journey started with one small retail shop, and today Esquire Group has successful ventures.
The journey started back in 1974, just after the liberation, and it started by my father, who started with a very small capital, but he had a big dream, and above all, he had a big vision. He's like an institution, so he actually passed on the dream amongst our brothers and amongst all the employees, and he's such a visionary man that he actually inspired us, inspired the whole of our employee groups and all of us. He always thought about the country, he always thought about the employees.
The company started business with Esquire Electronics and developed a very good relationship with local customers. Esquire is the sole distributor in Bangladesh of world-famous brands such as General, Sharp and Mitsubishi. It has also launched its own electronics brand.
Through our electronics business, we have actually built a very
We have started this fully compliant, one of the largest knit dyeing factories in Bangladesh.
The factory is just 20 minutes drive from the capital, Dhaka. It is a fully compliant factory in the middle of a green zone. The large and highly experienced merchandising team is always trying to make sure that customers' demands are met on time. Esquire also has a modern and advanced laboratory, a fact that is greatly appreciated by clients worldwide. This laboratory has all the modern facilities that are required for high-quality production. This lab has received recognition from various authorities.
One of the core strengths that we have while selecting machines, that it has to be environment friendly, energy efficient and productive. So that is the main criteria, and that's why we have selected most modern eco-friendly machines that is available.
Esquire is one of very few companies that has a separate design section supported by all the necessary facilities.
You can have a look, go around, see, pick up, and then whatever necessary you need to make for a design collection.
At present, Bangladesh is known for cheap labor, but that concept is changing. Esquire believes that very soon, international buyers will regularly buy designs as well from Bangladesh. Esquire has always been conscious about compliance issues. It has never compromised on it from the very beginning. The childcare zone is very organized and clean, just to make sure that every child is comfortable, safe and happy. Workers also get full-time medical support. There are separate doctors for men and for women workers. All workers here get fire and safety training. Professional trainers hold training sessions every week, and an accord audit has already been completed. Workers here have separate dining and transportation facilities. A big security team always provides security for every single member of the Esquire family. The effluent treatment plant and the water treatment plant always operate smoothly and effectively. Today, Esquire Knit Composite is successfully serving world-famous brands in different parts of the world and continuously maintaining high quality. This has always resulted in positive feedback from clients.
I started working with the Esquire Group in 1993, so it's more than 20 years. I've been working with the family Habib for all those years, and I have seen the growth of the company. I have had the joy and the pride to see the company grow from a small factory today to be one of the largest knit composites in Bangladesh.
আমরাই প্রথম কোম্পানি যারা অগটেক স্ট্যান্ডার্ড 100 সার্টিফিকেট পায়। তারপর আমরা অর্গানিক এক্সচেঞ্জ সার্টিফিকেটও আমরা প্রথম পাই এবং অতি সম্প্রতি আমরা ঢাকা ইউনিভার্সিটির সাথে একটা মেমোরেন্ডাম অফ আর্টিকেল সিগনেচার করেছি।
The recognition that Esquire Group has received from many renowned organizations has encouraged it to do even better in the future. This clearly reflects the growth that Esquire Composite Ltd has made in the 5-year period between 2011 and 2015. In the year 2016, Esquire Knit Composites' revenue was $56.65 million. The group has also local and foreign banks as financial partners. Bangladesh has set an export target of $50 billion by the year 2021, and Esquire Group, being one of the largest group of companies in the country, wants to be a major player in achieving that target.